Provides an extensible design that enables service prioritization for data. Design that delivers high availability, scalability, and for maximum flexibility and price performance. The country of origin is China. OS support, Windows 8. 1. 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows 8. 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows 7. 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows Vista. 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows XP. 32-bit, 64-bit. High-power design clear up dead zones with 150% greater coverage. Custom heatsink dissipates heat for more stable and reliable non-stop operation. Operating temperature. 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, degree F to F. 5th generation 802. 11 AC chipset gives you dual-band, 2. 4 GHz, 5 GHz for up to super fast 1. 30 gigabits per second. Flexible extended antenna placement helps you pinpoint the best reception in your environment. Instant Wi-Fi upgrade for your desktop. No more messy Ethernet cables needed. Top reviews from the United States. Best product for price. Bought it because I was moving and it wouldn't be feasible to utilize an Ethernet cord anymore. I combined it with a T-Mobile 5G gateway and I get really fast speeds, comparable to a corded connection.